My name is Jack Jenkins. I teach automotive and maintenance and light repair here at WRHS High School. This is my 42nd year in automotive. I came through the dealership days, ran tire and automotive departments for Sam's and Walmart for many years. I had 127 stores at one time. I've taught all my life, just never in the high school format. We actually run Tech 1 through 4. It's all basic maintenance and repair. We go through each system, front to back, top to bottom on the vehicles. Students, if they complete all 4 classes, have the opportunity to be ASE certified by the time they graduate high school. If they want to do it and they have interest in cars, even if it's not their future to do it for a living, just to learn to take care of their own vehicles, family, friends. But if they're dependable and they're willing to learn, that's the key. The future, not just in automotive, but all CTE classes. It's the most needed industry out there in the industry. Auto mechanics, plumbers, welders, carpentry, all of it. There's just not enough people, and the next generation is way behind, especially in the automotive world. I love teaching automotive because it's all I've done. I have a great passion for it. There's nothing like the feeling of making that repair and seeing it done. And I'd love to see as many as possible in my class.